Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be going over the trading recap for Friday. I didn't take any trades Friday. Market moved pretty good. I thought I missed the big move, so I kind of just stayed off the charts because I thought the move already happened. The objective of the day was already taken. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Alrighty. Let me clear out the chart for y'all. We'll start it right here. All right, going into the day, pre-market, we sold off 150 points right off pre-market. So going into market open, I was like, possibly there won't be a trade going into New York Open because we may have took out all this sell side below us that I wanted to see get taken. We took out this. That's what I wanted to see going into market open, but we already took it pre-market. So I was just kind of staying patient. Looking on the internal and bigger time frame, I'm now bullish. I want to see all-time highs at some point this month. I want to see this 2 weeks Wednesday high get taken, the draw on liquidity, and also at some point maybe this week we take 3 weeks ago Wednesday's high. So that was my bias going into the day. Looking into the 15-minute, I was like, all right, we inversed a 15-minute for value gap. I want to see if we do want to go higher because that would give us a change in the state up here. So I was kind of just staying patient. I wasn't looking for anything crazy. So we have this first presented for value gap that was created, this breakaway gap on the 1 minute. I was kind of staying patient. I drew out OTE of this entire range. We actually tapped back into equilibrium of the range. Tapped into the 0.5. So now I was like, I could potentially take it. I could have took a trade here. Literally would have been a bottom tick and it would have moved way higher, but that is simply not my model. I was just being patient. I was like, okay, we moved higher, went back into the range, potentially could take a trade here. I'm watching price. I want to see us get above these highs. But also keep in mind, and this is what I was keeping in mind, we have 10 a.m. news. So that's in 8 minutes. I didn't know if we were going to take the high before 10 a.m. news, but I completely stopped trading. I didn't want to look for a trade during 10 a.m. news. So I just kind of stayed off the charts. What time is it? 6 minutes till 10 a.m. news. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty, so we get this candle. This is the 10 a.m. news. I draw out this data highs, potential drawn objective. It's also staying with this 2 week Wednesday high that I want to see get taken. Now I'm watching. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. I see this, and then I see this candle move up higher. So I look internally 15 second. I see we generated this. We didn't want to move higher. 10 a.m. didn't want to take the 2 week high. So we simply soup this, turtle soup. ES began to run higher, creating a bullish SMT. Now this is where I would have taken the trade. This 15-second change in the state for value. 15-second change in the state. We also took data highs, and with this candle, I would have taken the trade. I should have stayed internally instead of just looking on the 1 minute. So once this candle formed, I should have took the trade, but it all happened really quickly. And we took 10 a.m. highs. I was like, we're probably going to see higher. I thought my daily objective was taken. There's no reason for me to be trading because I didn't know where price wanted to go. So I hopped off the charts. It was 10:09. I hopped off the charts. Beautiful model. Just everything happened fast. Touched equilibrium, instantly moved higher. 15-second internally, had turtle soup, bearish SMT, 15-second chain of the state. Looking on the 1 minute, moved very quickly towards 10 a.m. data highs that I wanted to see get taken. Also, another trade I could have taken was this drawback to the 1 minute for value gap. We tapped back in, respected it down here, didn't get past it, just wicked into it, respecting contract encroachment, and then instantly move higher. I thought we were too much in premium for me to even take a trade, so I just stayed away from the charts. So yeah, I do have over here my 2 qualified 50K 0 qualified accounts for Alpha Futures. So I am very patient going into these trades for the week, especially in December. Price action is very unpredictable, so I'm very risked down. So be careful with December price action. This was a completely fine trade. I may start looking at pre-market trades, since the past couple of days pre-market has just been completely taking out everything. See, like, look, this is 30 minutes before pre-market. We move 111 points on Thursday. So I may be looking to take pre-market trades. We take this low, instantly move higher. So definitely be careful for December price action. But evals, I definitely would have taken this trade on an eval. Turtle soup, bullish SMT, had a 15-second change of state, also the 1 minute, and I would have targeted 10 a.m. data highs for partials or 2-week Wednesday high. So yeah. Alrighty guys, if you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. If you want to stay updated with me, I do these every day, or I try to. The past couple of days I've been very busy, so I wasn't able to upload one. This is why I'm uploading it tonight. This is for Fridays. I'm trying to upload almost every day. So if you want to learn how I trade, I do have a trading, like a course of videos on my YouTube, so go check that out. But anyways, peace out guys.